Dear students, welcome to Mayura Virtual Academy. In this session, we'll be learning about layout types. Android provides the great layout types which we can use to design any kind of user interface for the mobile applications. Using these three layouts, as I told, we can design any kind of the user interface for our business requirement. The three types are: one is the linear layout, other one is the relative layout, and the frame layout. The first one is linear layout. Using the linear layout, we can align the childs either in one particular direction, either it can be vertical or horizontal. In some business logics, we can even combine both. So we can divide the entire layout and we can make the childs to align both in the horizontal and vertical directions. The other type of layout is relative layout. In this relative layout, all the childs will be aligned in the screen based on either to the will be using the left and right the concept, and will be aligning the children's based on that. So we'll be keeping one object or one child and we'll be fixing all the other children's either to the left and right of the fixed the child. The next layout is frame layout. This will be using if our business requirement is of card type. So if you want to display the user with the user interface such as the cards one below the other, will be using frame layout with the fragments. And Android has recently introduced recycler view. In this, we'll be creating one view, and the same view we can repeat many times so that reusability of the code increases. So these are the layout types that is provided by the Android, and using these layouts we can design any kind of user interface. Now let us have a look at the different the widgets that is provided by the Android. Android provides various widgets, inbuilt widgets. We can use the same thing in our user interface in the layouts. One such is text views. Using text view, we can display the text to the user. So if you want to display some information to the user, we'll be using the text views. Other one is button. Say when the user performs some operation, such as say you fill registration form and you need to register. In such scenarios, we'll be using the button, and whenever the button is clicked, Android provides various callbacks such as onClick method. Will be overriding that method and perform all the operations. Another one is edit text view. So as in the given example, as I told, in the registration form, user need to fill the form. So whatever the filling columns is provided using the edit text views, and whatever the hint that is provided such as name, that is will be using text views. And the other widget that is provided by the Android is image button. In this, it is same as button, but the background will be of image. We can specify any kind of image so that whenever the user clicks on that image, we can perform the operations. Other views that is provided by the Android is grid view. So we'll be displaying the views in the grid format. Otherwise, we can display the information using list view. These are the basic types of Android widgets provided by Android, and there are many more widgets. As and when it is required, we'll be learning in detail about that. These are the basic things that we'll be using in all of our applications. Now let us execute a simple the application where we can learn in detail about the different types of layouts, and we'll be using the widgets, the basic widgets that we have covered in this session. Thank you. Have a great day.